Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore misplaced color keys in Premiere Pro with HSL, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and navigate to your project. Locate the clip where you need to restore the misplaced color keys. Select the clip in the timeline to bring it into the source monitor. Go to the Effects control panel on the upper left. Locate the color correction section or the Lumetri color effect applied to your clip. Click on the Lumetri color effect to open its properties. Scroll down to the HSL secondary tab. Click on the eyedropper tool to sample the color you want to restore. If the sample doesn't capture the correct color, adjust the color limits using the sliders. Refine your color selection by adjusting the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders until the desired range is captured. Make sure to toggle the selection checkbox on to visualize your selected area. Once satisfied with the selection, adjust the correction settings beneath the HSL secondary tab. Use the saturation, contrast, and brightness sliders to enhance the appearance of the selected color. If needed, fine-tune the color using the curves or color wheels in the Lumetri panel. Preview the adjustments in the program monitor for a real-time view of the changes. If the original color key was lost, you can now copy the modified settings back to the original clip. Repeat these steps for any additional clips that require color restoration. Finish by reviewing your project for consistency in color correction across all clips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.